All right, good day. I want to work on a series, What the Funk is Doing. And with some of the projects, now that we've got homeschooling, I'm going to use my time as much as possible in terms of creating new projects. And one of the things that I want to show in terms of some of the what if, so imagination fabrication. The funny thing is some of these ideas have been around for decades, if not centuries. And one of them happens to be skin on frame canoes. I found this book online, had to go from a second source bookstore, not something that you find at Barnes and Noble or Amazon. But I've always been intrigued with what are called featherlight craft, or basically double paddle canoes, or I kind of call them yak canoes. It's a bit of a canoe, but yet a bit of a kayak. I've already done one of the stitch and frames, and so we'll go into the garage and see this. But I am now going to work on attempting a actual wee Lassie, as these are called. So I'm going to kind of do weekly pieces in terms of what are we doing, how are we doing it, and putting it all together. And then maybe you can start thinking about some of the projects that you've got. So this will be one in multiple series as well as multiple projects.
All right, so here is my skin on frame kayak, or open kayak they may call it, or a double paddle canoe. But anyways, it was totally fun to build. Very time consuming because you have to do all the stitch work on all of your cross members. Learned some major tricks from a guy in Germany on how he does it so that those don't stick out. But anyways, in terms of your kayak, your open kayak or double paddle canoe, these are actually a lot of fun. Incredibly light. I think this one's right around 20 pounds with the seat in there. And then the other thing that we've made is our own custom paddle. We've done that out of carbon fiber tubing, and again use the pine. So you can see where it's just the pine that we use, as well as custom made drip guards off of the 3D printer. This is incredibly light. Both paddles have a fiberglass on each side, front and back as well. This is a standard paddle. It's not a two-piece paddle, one piece. But those were some of the things that were kind of intriguing. Learned a lot of new things from the mistakes made on this kayak. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with the wee Lassie. But this is the first one. We're going to build some more of these as well, but they do take quite a bit of time.